For this recipe, here's all the ingredients you'll need. 1 large banana, 1 cup of oats, about a tablespoon of maple syrup, some parchment paper so your cookies don't stick, about 1/4 a cup of raisins, and some cinnamon. Before we get into this video, if you have not signed up yet for my free video course, you get a couple videos over a couple days. Go to mymorningcleanse.com/free and sign up. I will put a link in the description below and in the comments. You're going to start by mashing up your banana. You're going to preheat your stove to 350. Get a mixing bowl. Add your 1 cup of oats, your mashed banana, add 1/4 a cup to a little bit more of the raisins, about 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and some cinnamon. Then mix your ingredients together really well. As you can see, everything is mixed really well and evenly. Next, put down some parchment paper onto your cookie tray. That way they don't stick. If you use wax paper, your cookies will stick to the paper. Now you want to make 8 even cookies. Use a fork to flatten them down and round them out. Take our cookies and put them in the stove. Bake your cookies 15 to 20 minutes. You want them brown on the sides. As you can see with the parchment paper, they peel right off. And this is what your cookies should look like when they're done. As you can see, they're a little bit brown on the edges.